Teledyne Storm Microwave provides compact, high-performance, multi-channel solutions for your toughest applications. Our miniature multi-channel solutions are built with StormFlex cable, giving you class-leading strength and connector retention. The Multi-Mate family utilizes the standard SMPM interface to bring you board-to-device interconnect solutions. The Mini Multi-Mate, your go-to high-performance multi-channel solution. The WeatherMate, a submersible weather-resistant solution. And the SpaceMate, an out-of-this-world space-qualified solution. Teledyne Storm Microwave also offers a complete line of VITA 67 products, including VITA 67.1, 67.2, 67.3, and 67.3 Nano. Featuring Teledyne Storm Microwave's ultra-high-strength StormFlex cable, our miniature multi-channel solutions can operate up to 50 GHz and withstand multiple flexures immediately behind the connectors without breaking or degrading performance. If you need a cable that is phase stable over temperature, we also offer PhaseMaster 096 for all configurations. Including both vertical and edge launch PCB connectors, the Multi-Mate family provides a total solution for your board-to-device connections. With operating frequencies up to 50 GHz and extensive mechanical and environmental qualification testing, you can have confidence your Multi-Mate harness from Teledyne Storm Microwave will meet or exceed performance requirements. When you need water resistance, turn to the submersible IP67 rated WeatherMate. For your LEO satellite applications, turn to the space-qualified SpaceMate. Available in standard 4 and 8 positions with custom configurations available, the Multi-Mate product line provides a complete interconnect solution from board to device. The VITA 67 family of products from Teledyne Storm Microwave allow for high-density, low-profile connections from backplane to motherboard. With a full offering of VITA 67.1, .2, .3, and the ultra-high-density Nano line, Teledyne Storm Microwave's VITA 67 products allow you to make up to 18 connections in a single connector block. Get the class-leading strength and connector retention of StormFlex by letting Teledyne Storm Microwave build your VITA 67 cable assemblies. Tap into our expertise and let us guide you through the sometimes confusing VITA 67 options so you get the right product the first time rather than a schedule-busting delay and rebuild. We know what fits and mates and can advise you on your VITA 67 part selection. Whether you need to get from board to device or backplane to motherboard, Teledyne Storm Microwave is a one-stop shop for your miniature multi-channel harnessing needs.